All right, so this particular lesson is on calculating the percent composition by mass of elements in a compound. So to find the mass percent of an element in a compound, you simply divide the mass of the element in that compound by the molar mass of the compound and then multiply by 100 to give you percent. So pretty easy to do. So what you're going to have to do is you have to be able to figure out, how to calculate the molar mass of a compound, which you should be able to do. And then you're just really dividing and multiplying. So this one's pretty straightforward. So here's a problem here that says, what is the percent composition by mass of each element in this particular compound here, CHCl3? So what you've got to do is you've got to figure out the molar mass of this compound, which is what this math is here. So this is how you calculate the molar mass, which you should already know how to do. Just look at the periodic table and add up the molar mass of all the elements in the compound, including the 3 chlorines. So this is your molar mass of this compound. Then what you do to figure out the percent composition of each element in that compound is you have to divide the element's molar mass by the molar mass of the compound. So over here, to calculate the percent composition of carbon in this compound, you take the molar mass of carbon, there's only one carbon, molar mass of carbon divided by the molar mass of the compound, multiplied by 100, and about 10% of this compound is carbon. Then you do the same thing for hydrogen. There's only one hydrogen in the compound, so you have the molar mass of hydrogen divided by the molar mass of the compound, and you multiply by 100. So a little less than 1% of this compound is hydrogen. Then this one here, this is the molar mass of the 3 chlorines. So you have to add up the molar mass of the 3 chlorines. It's not just one chlorine, because there isn't just one chlorine in this compound. There's 3. So you have to add up the 3 chlorines and then divide that molar mass of the 3 chlorines by the molar mass of the whole compound. Multiply by 100, you see almost 90% of this compound is chlorine. And that makes sense. If you look at it by mass, chlorine has a mass that's much bigger than hydrogen or carbon. So if we look at this pie chart, most of this compound's mass is because of the 3 chlorines. Tiny little sliver is from the hydrogen and a little bit decent sized chunk from the carbon by mass. This is by mass. I'll do, I think, 2 of the problems on the percent composition sheet with you, just so you get a feel for this. Again, it's not very hard. You just figure out the molar mass and then divide the molar mass of each individual element by the molar mass of the compound. Multiply by 100 to get percent, and that's how you'll get that. And then this should add up to 100 or be pretty darn close, because you'll probably be rounding. So this is going to be close to 100. That's a way to double check your work. If this adds up close to 100, you probably did it right. Right? So stay tuned for the worksheet video.